Ho 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 and happy holidays. So today we're about to go, I don't know, I just felt like dressing up like Santa, spreading some cheer, spread some other stuff, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna go, I don't know, go do some Santa Claus thing. You know what I'm saying? Shoot, shoot. But we're about to go and check let's go check this car out for. Hey yo, whose R33 is this?
Black guy.
Say, that joint's hard. What year is it?
93.
93. What's that? RB25? Sweet.
It's not GTR. Don't get too excited.
Oh, it's not. It's just a Skyline.
Just GTS. Just
GTST.
Don't get too excited.
It's still twin turbo, right?
No,
Single.
Twin turbo is only on GTR.
This joint's dope. I'll mess with it. You from like around here? You got Instagram?
Yeah.
I follow you on Instagram. I make videos, so.
I kind of figured that. I kind of figured. I put 2 and 2 together.
You sure? You sure? Like, no.
Vader's black son. It's weird.
Vader's
black son.
What is up with that?
Dead ass. I had Darth Vader tattooed on my arm for reasons. Right there. First one.
Bet. Shoot, I'll hit you up.
What up? What's up? Oh, the camera?
That's an iPhone.
It's not videotaping the property.
iPhone X.
Videotaping the property. Videotaping anybody on the property or the property itself.
Don't touch me, shit.
I got you, brother.
All right, man.
These 3 cars. You got 2 cars yours? They're for Best Buy.
For Best Buy.
The cars. You guys related with Best Buy?
No, my stuff's getting worked on in a second. That's all.
Dang, we didn't even get in here. We got security on us.
Getting head units. Which one?
Decent. Pretty sure it's probably the guy who
No,
worked.
this is the manager who worked here.
Okay.
Yeah. Huh?
You said what?
Put away that camera.
Well, we're not filming inside.
No, please, don't put me on video, please. I don't need it.
You're not on video. You're not. I promise, you're not gonna be on video.
I don't need you talking to me about her miss. You cannot use the camera.
It's
It's very serious. It's that serious. They don't record anything. Okay, my superior come over here.
So you can't just give it a call. Hey, what's good, bro?
Y'all can't come to this mall and record anything.
All right.
Without permission.
That's cool. We're gonna leave. Or can you just like call your superior and just ask?
Why do you do things this way, huh? 10 to 4.
So apparently, we gotta get permission to film in the mall, but everybody else got iPhones and stuff. The same deal. People taking pictures.
I told him this was
Can
gonna
you
happen.
remove this? I can't see your face with all this Santa Claus activity.
I'm saying that.
So, like, you need. There's a gentleman over here in a Santa Claus outfit with a phone recording himself. How do you often hear this small distance?
Huh? Because there's a lot of people.
Attention.
Huh?
Attention. Don't make no sense.
Attention. No, I got YouTube.
Just creeping on my line. Got my main.
Apparently, because you're Santa Claus, you can't film or do nothing around here. So we're just gonna like park on the casino and go down there. Hey. No Gordo. No Gordo. Merry Driftmas. Like, nah, that was cheesy. That was so cheesy. Oh yeah, my butthole. All right, we're gonna hit this circle Santa style, you know. Oh, we effed it up. All right, one more time. One more time for the fins, you know. Okay, so we kind of failed at that. We hit the fender liner. I don't know what's going on right now because I'm so stressed out because of Christmas, you know, like my sleigh's down, you know what I'm saying? It's only running on like 3 horsepower, or should I say reindeer power, you know? We're gonna head to Walmart and then we'll just do what Santa does. We'll just give, you know? We got these $100 bills that are obviously not real because we would just give away $100 bills, you know? We're gonna, I mean, I would if I had the money, to be honest, just to make somebody's day, but I got fake 100 and we're gonna see if we can catch some people's neck for the holidays. So let's get it.
All of these shells straight to the face if you want it. I call up X, I need a P, now he on it. I'm laying low, I'm out the mix, is what you call it. I'm in my zone, I'm up right into the morning. Grind and shine, I stop the shit because I own it. We in the club, we got a blinky and performance.
That's a little elf. Hey, buddy. Oh no, I'm not booping over there, man. Oh ho ho. I'm not the real Santa. Obviously. Oh, excuse me. Get some icy wheels, you know. Ooh. Ooh. You said what? Oh, they boofing. What's back there? What you want? You want some like toys?
You can't go back there.
Oh no. No, I'm saying I'm gonna give him some.
You can't go back there.
Are you sure?
Here?
No.
You can't go back there. I work here.
For real? Oh man. I should have said I worked there, duh. What the heck? I'm through your phone. Say search. Come on, search. Not this video. This is an old video. Yo, what you doing, dog? You wanna fight or something? I will destroy you. This is not happening right now.
In my clock, I can't stop. Fuck around, make my 40 pop. No popcorn, I pop pistols. Reaming my body, clothing no issue.
Hey man, you dropped this? No. You didn't drop that? Oh, okay. I'll keep it then. Oh, you dropped this? No. Oh. Oh no, shoot. You know what I'm saying? Oh shoot. Did you drop this? No? Oh. My lucky day.
Oh, no.
Oh, my bad. I mean, scare you. All right, pick a hand. Pick a hand.
Oh my gosh. That one.
You sure? I would pick the other one. Just pick the other one.
That one.
Oh.
Wow.
100 bones.
Thank you.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Oh my.
Yeah. What's up, dog? Hey, pick a hand real quick.
No.
You sure? Oh shoot. Hey, you might want to turn around. Could have had this. Could have had this right here. Too late. It's my favorite baby. What's up, baby?
Oh my Lord, who is this?
Hey. Pick a hand. Pick a hand.
Who is this? Wow, yeah.
Which one?
Right there. Oh my God, you got
For you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
No.
Put it in there.
I know.
You know what?
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
No.
Merry Christmas.
Who is this?
You don't remember me from the last video?
Are you there taking video?
Yeah, remember I was taking video and you was like, oh, what do you do?
Are you sure you give me $100?
Yeah. Right there.
Why you give me $100?
Merry Christmas.
You
Merry Christmas.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Take a picture of
Take a picture? All right. You know what I'm saying?
Are you sure?
Oh yeah.
Hey, I like that. I like that spirit.
I am so... Hold on. My Santa! What's that up? Where is it? My hand? Alright, thank you. Merry Christmas.
All right.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Santa baby. Yaraka-cha-ka-cha. No, not just for you. Everybody. But it's fake though. It's fake. Too funny. Long day of work. I'm not Santa. I'm his son. I'm Sant.
Son of Santa.
I'm Sant, not Santa.
Sant Jr.
See it? Yeah, Sant Jr.
Well, you could also be the Latino Santa, and you could be Santos.
What me?
Santos.
You can call me Santos.
Santos aquí.
Santos aquí. Ah. ¿Cómo se llama? All right. Adios.
Santa. Comprendes?
No.
I know you don't.
I know. Whatever she said, I think she wanted a piece of Santa. Oh, what'd it do? You want to play a game?
Yeah.
Pick a hand. Pick a hand.
That hand.
This hand? All right, here you go. Merry Christmas. Give it to your mom. She probably know a fake. Let's run. I dropped my watch? No? Oh boy, you got me like should have took his watch. Oh, it's getting hot in here. Oh my God. What the ho is that? Oh shoot, I didn't mean to scare you. I'm just trying to spread some cheer.
Santa, how you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
That's good. Got my granddaughter trying to fulfill her Christmas wishes.
Heck yeah, that's what it's about.
And which...
Make the grandkids happy.
Right, but I got more than her. I got it's 5 more at home.
Hey, well, you got.
You want to tell Santa some more of the things that you want?
I
what
want
you think?
a necklace set.
A necklace with diamonds on it? That's probably doable.
What happened to Barbie pizza? The pizza
It's
bar.
2018, Grandma. Come on, kids. They want to be out there. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, she is infatuated with Barbie, but they don't have a piece of Barbie here, so that's what she got.
Hey, it's still a nice Barbie. She's like, I want to be here right now. Hopefully Santa gets you everything you want this year, especially if you're good, you know what I'm saying? Then
Oh, she always.
all right, you get good grades, you know what I'm saying? Good grades, you do good in school. Always 100. That's how I like it. Stay in school. You be blessed too. I like your necklace.
Oh, thank you.
Fancy.
And then she spots the camera. She's like, what's happening right now?
Catch you on the flip side. Alright guys, so the camera's about to die. We're actually done here. So what we're about to do is end the video here. Please, if you guys haven't already, go cop yourself some merch. Link in the description. And happy holidays, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little something different. Hopefully Addie's skills get a little bit better. And hopefully we can get some doper videos. But comment, rate, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Ho, 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 motherfucker!
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I been the coast's greatest blessing. Better recognize